So today I'm just having a walk about down in the town of Mazarrón. I don't think a lot of people really come down through the back streets of Mazarrón. I've just parked up near the watchtower, which I will show you later. I just thought I'd show you some of the old buildings there that you don't usually recognise really. And I'm also heading towards the council building. Town Hall, that's the one I'm talking about. I can see I don't know what that place is. It's official. So hopefully I don't get run over. So just up the back there, believe it or not, you got the castle. And also behind that is the Mazarrón mines. But anyway, straight in front of us, believe it or not, is the town hall, which is the new town hall. This is the place where I have to come to renew my padron and other things. I've been here for a while thinking about it. So, looks like there's a bit of work going on at the moment down here. Now, this is the festival week. Well, weekend's coming up. And there's going to be parades going down the street. So, obviously, this has been the main square. Now this building here used to be the old town hall. Yeah. And I believe, just giving you a quick look around, we're looking very, sprucing it up a bit, some of the streets there. And I was told just down there is the, so anyway, this is the, like I said, it's the old town hall. You can see the clock right at the top there. So this building there, which is just opposite the post office, is the casino, which I know they've just been doing up. So you can see loads of photographs of what the town used to look like. I think upstairs is offices, but yeah, town hall. Not town hall. The casino, there it is the, I get to see it now. So plenty of little cafes dotted about. Alright, we're going to have a nose at the old town hall then, if I can say that. So I'm in the old town hall now, apparently built in 1889, and I presume this is the place where they have all their official meetings in those days. I think it's another building that people miss really. I mean, I do love that ceiling. Unfortunately today, they've obviously stopped the next floor going up. I think it's just, they put on sort of displays. So this is another little cubicles, obviously some official room that you would come in maybe to sign a document. Ooh, you got the old tiles there on the floor. Nice old chair there, nice wooden chair. Another thing I will mention, guys, when you're out and about travelling anywhere and you're visiting buildings like this and museums, they all seem to shut at 2 o'clock. So if you're visiting anywhere, it's all going to be like 10 o'clock to 2, and then from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And that's usually right through the week. And usually Mondays they're not open, but today this place is actually open on a Monday. So we're going to go back through the town, show you a couple of other places. Hopefully the wife is finished the shopping. Just saw this building. I thought all masons, but it's not, it's a lawyer. A lovely old building. I'm supposed to this building here with the brickwork up there. And I haven't walked far. If you go up this street here, they call them Cala Cruz, whatever. You can see the town hall again. So anyway, we're carrying on back through here. Now, you've got to remember, guys, Mazarrón really felt to do with the mines. So the mines brought a lot of prosperity to Mazarrón Town. Unfortunately, now the mines are not working anymore. Jobs are different now, but it's still nice to see some of the old buildings. Now this is the haberdashery to get all your bits for your tailoring, would you believe?
There's your dress.
And there's your dress just above it.
They can buy fabric.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah,
And they were open on a Monday. So, just to finish this video off, I'm just walking back now to the car, but just right in front of us, hopefully you can see it now, you can see the watchtower. It's a park. I'll be honest, the park's a bit tatty, broken bottles and things, but you can go right up there and get a lovely view of the whole town, looking back towards the mines, look the other direction, looking back down towards the port. Anyway, I'm going to finish the video now, but if you watch any more of my other videos on my Expat and Mazarrón channel, I made a few on Mazarrón Town. But anyway, I'm saying adios.